Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can make a multi-language website in Webflow. So let's get started. Creating a multilingual website is a great way to reach a wider audience, and Webflow makes the process pretty simple. First, open your Webflow dashboard and select the project you want to translate. Once you're inside the project, look at the top menu and click on Localization. This is the main area where you'll manage and organize all the languages your site will support. Next, click on Add New Locale. This is where you add an additional language to your site. Webflow provides a long list of supported languages, so just scroll through and choose the one you want to include. When you've selected the language, make sure to click Save so everything is properly added to your project. One important thing to know is that Webflow requires you to upgrade your localization plan if you want to publish your site in multiple languages. Upgrading unlocks the ability to make your multilingual setup live for your visitors. Once that's done, your website will be ready to display content in different languages, helping you reach and connect with a global audience. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.